3 strikes, you're out.
Yep, exactly. And sometimes you don't get 3 strikes. Sometimes you just get no strikes. So
Yeah, depending on what's said.
Yeah,
sure.
Fred didn't give me any warning. He just kicked my ass to the curb.
You and then 10,000 other people.
I was talking to Laura about this morning. I remember the very first time, like what really changed the trajectory of my career and going from buying from Ace Hardware to buying from a distributor, like you would say. It was a distributor. I'm not going to say their name, but the guy said, I'll tell it's HBL. It's just the dumbest advice I've ever heard in my life. I'll talk to you about some more about that stuff later. Yeah, so he goes, look, I'll sell you these bulbs for this price on one condition. You need to go into the CLC group and you need to tell them that I gave you a good deal and I'm taking good care of you. And we had the deal already done. I was about to buy it and then all this stuff was going to come here. And that's how it started. Greg Schultz, this is the dumbest thing in the world. But anyway, so when this happened, I went into the group and I was like, hey, man, I really got this good deal. And this guy helped me out. And I'm buying these bulbs, from so-and-so. And then there was like 35 comments. It's like, what? Those bulbs are trash. You should buy from this guy and you should do this. And I was like, I cannot believe it.
Blasted. We got blasted.
Yeah.
So
we
then
were so excited.
No. What I'm saying is I had a deal that was done and we were going to buy these products from this guy. But when he said, go to that group and say you're buying products from me and you got a good deal, that's when we were pushed to a different product. And we started with with Minleon was that day when he said, go into the group. And that's when we switched from having a deal already inked and ready to go with HBL and then end up getting switched to Minleon. And I think about that a lot because that stupid, ignorant advice changed the trajectory of our life. And I was talking to Laura about it this morning on the drive. I was thinking, I wonder what our life would be like if we would have went the other way and not went through this other experience. Because, the people who know us pretty well know that it was a whole story for a later time. But I wonder what our life would have been if we wouldn't have got that advice.
Well, but you learn from your failures and you learn on the other side of hard. And that's the great thing about it. You wouldn't have learned those other things and you may not be where you are today because of it.